Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to join the Acquire English group on Facebook, where you can see our latest videos and ask any questions. All right, so we've made it to part 4 of routines. Today we have Adam and Tuan, and they are talking about sports. Let's listen to today's conversation.
Do you watch sports?
I used to watch a lot of baseball, but I don't have much time anymore. How about you?
Yeah, I watch football. I used to watch a lot more though.
Does your wife like it?
Yeah, she's a big fan as well. We're planning on going to the next World Cup.
Whoa, that'll be amazing. Let's take a look at today's key points.
Do you watch sports?
I used to watch a lot of baseball.
I watch football. I used to watch a lot more though.
In the conversation, I said, I used to watch a lot of baseball. What this means is it's a past habit or routine. I watched a lot of baseball in the past, but I don't watch a lot of baseball now. For a past habit or routine, we use used to. In the conversation, Tuan says, I watch football. This is a current habit or routine. He does this now. Then he says, I used to watch a lot more though. This is a past habit or routine. So for a current habit or routine, I watch. For a past habit or routine, I used to watch. Okay, let's start with this example. Right now, I do not drink soda. I never drink soda. But in the past, I drank a lot of soda. So we can say, I used to drink soda. Okay, so let's look at this guy here. He's a chef. But in the past, this was his job. He was a waiter. So we can say, he used to be a waiter, but now he's a chef. Okay, here's our final example before we get to our quiz. So right now, I like coffee. But in the past, I didn't like coffee. So for these situations, we say, I didn't used to like coffee. Is that okay? Let's double check here. So in the past, I didn't like coffee, but now I do like coffee. So for these situations, we use I didn't used to. So here, I didn't used to like coffee. Okay, it's quiz time. Let's see if you can do it. He used to smoke. They used to be overweight. They used to eat junk food. He didn't used to have gray hair. He didn't used to wear glasses. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we look forward to hearing from you in the YouTube comments and on our Facebook page. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks again. See you next time.